The right way to eat chia seeds for quick fat loss. You're probably eating chia seeds completely wrong, and it's ruining your fat loss goals. One woman added them to a smoothie daily and ended up bloated, tired, and gaining weight. Why? Because there's a right way and a wrong way to eat chia seeds for fat burning. Let's fix that right now. Chia seeds have exploded in popularity. They're in smoothies, detox drinks, even keto recipes. And yeah, they're packed with fiber, omega-3s, and protein. But here's the catch. Most people are just tossing them into food without understanding how they actually work inside your body. If you want real fat loss results, not bloating, cravings, or blood sugar crashes, you need to eat chia seeds the right way. Let's break it all down, step by step. Why chia seeds backfire for most people. Chia seeds are marketed like magic. Sprinkle them on yogurt and boom, health food. But the truth? If you don't prepare them properly, time them right, or eat them in the right combos, you could gain weight, get bloated, or completely stall your metabolism. Let's say you're eating chia pudding every morning. Sounds healthy, right? But if that pudding is full of added sugars and you're not hydrating correctly, guess what? Those chia seeds are soaking up water from your gut. That leads to constipation, cravings, and even fat storage. Most people eat chia seeds in ways that actually make fat loss harder, not easier. If you're serious about losing fat naturally, stick with me until the end, because I'll show you exactly how much, when, and what to combine chia seeds with to melt fat faster and avoid common mistakes. 1. Timing matters. When you eat chia seeds changes everything. If you're eating chia seeds late at night, you might be sabotaging your fat loss. Here's why. Chia seeds are high in fiber, and fiber slows digestion. At night, your metabolism slows down too. So if you eat chia-heavy meals before bed, your body struggles to break it down. You wake up bloated, your jeans tighter, and somehow even hungrier. Best time to eat chia seeds? Morning, with breakfast, or midday, as part of a light, balanced meal. Why? Because that's when your metabolism is active, your digestive enzymes are firing, and your body is ready to burn fat for fuel. 2. Always soak your chia seeds. Here's why. Unsoaked chia seeds can be dangerous. When dry, they absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, inside your stomach. This can lead to choking hazards, but also bloating, constipation, and discomfort. Soaking chia seeds turns them into a gel-like consistency. And that's a good thing. Why? Because it slows down digestion in a healthy way. You stay full longer, your blood sugar stays stable, and you eat fewer calories throughout the day. Quick tip. Soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in 1/2 cup of water for at least 20 minutes, or overnight if you're prepping chia pudding. 3. Pair chia seeds. With these fat-burning foods, chia seeds alone won't make you lose fat. But when you combine them with the right foods, boom. That's how you switch on fat-burning mode. Here are 3 perfect pairings. Chia plus Greek yogurt plus berries. Great for breakfast. Protein, fiber, and antioxidants. The yogurt keeps your blood sugar stable. The berries provide natural sweetness and vitamins. Chia makes you feel full for hours. Chia plus. Lemon water, pre-meal. This combo curbs appetite and boosts digestion. Lemon water helps alkalize your body and supports liver detox. Add chia for fiber and satiety. Drink 30 minutes before lunch. Chia plus oats plus cinnamon. Fiber overload in the best way possible. Cinnamon helps with insulin sensitivity. Oats provide complex carbs, and chia adds lasting fullness. 4. Avoid these chia seed mistakes that kill fat loss. Mistake 1. Eating too much. Yes, chia is healthy, but too much fiber at once can backfire. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, not 5. Mistake 2. Adding sugar maple syrup, honey, and flavored almond milk. You're turning your healthy chia bowl into a dessert. If fat loss is your goal, keep added sugars under 5 grams per serving. Mistake 3. Ignoring water intake. Chia needs water to expand. If you're not drinking enough water throughout the day, you're more likely to get constipated and sluggish. It's not about what you eat. It's about what your body can absorb and use effectively. 5. How chia seeds actually support. Fat loss, the science. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which expands in your stomach and slows digestion. That means fewer cravings, more stable blood sugar, and longer-lasting energy. They also contain ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fat that supports fat oxidation, especially around the belly. A 2017 study in nutrition research and practice found that people who consumed chia daily experienced reduced waist circumference and improved insulin sensitivity. Plus, chia seeds are calorie-dense but nutrient-rich, meaning they satisfy hunger with very little food volume. That's key for fat loss without feeling deprived. The simple formula that works. Here's your simple chia game plan. Daily chia fat loss formula. 1 tablespoon soaked chia seeds in the morning. Paired with protein like yogurt or eggs. Add fiber-rich fruits like berries or apple slices. Drink at least 2 liters of filtered water throughout the day. Avoid sugars and ultra-processed ingredients. That's it. You don't need fancy powders or overpriced detox drinks. Just smart timing, real food pairings, and consistency. Chia seeds aren't magic, but used the right way, they're one of the most powerful tools in your fat loss toolkit. They fill you up without overloading calories. They stabilize your blood sugar and reduce cravings. And when combined with real, whole foods, they help your body burn fat naturally. Remember, soak them. Pair them smart. Time them right. Keep it simple. If this helped clear up the chia seed confusion, hit that like button and share this with someone who's been eating them wrong. And if you want more no BS, holistic wellness tips backed by real science, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Your fat loss journey just got smarter. Let's keep going.